The Science and Technology Department is seeing positive results on the effectivity of virgin coconut oil against mild cases of COVID-19. Researchers are also looking at trying VCO on patients with moderate to severe coronavirus infections. Greg Gregorio with the rest of the details.
Shoni Bercasio has been using virgin coconut oil or VCO since the early 2000s as she turned to organic food and treatment for his ailing husband. Bercasio believes that this would help them avoid viruses, especially amid this pandemic.
It contains monolaurin. Yung monolaurin, siya yung parang nagte-take effect sa digestive system natin para magkaroon ng panglaban sa antimicrobial, antiviral.
The Science and Technology Department has been looking into the possible effect of VCO against COVID-19. In fact, the DOST's Philippine Council on Health Research and Development Executive Director Jaime Montoya said a study showed the properties of virgin coconut oil has positive impact against the virus.
It was able to reduce the amount of viruses by as much as 80%, 60 to 80%. But it was shown based on that study that it can do this optimally if the viral load is low.
VCO is currently being tested on more than 50 patients who are either suspect cases or with mild symptomatic COVID-19 in Laguna. The DOST hopes to release trial results by November. The Philippine General Hospital is also doing separate VCO trial on patients with moderate to severe cases of COVID-19. Researchers are hoping to release the results next year.
Well, we are doing clinical trials because we want to get or have the evidence to show that it really works and it really helps patients with COVID-19, whether in terms of quick recovery or alleviation of the symptoms.
Meanwhile, the Health Department has released its guidelines for COVID-19 months into the lockdown. The Omnibus Interim contains guidelines on prevention, detection, isolation, treatment, and reintegration strategies. Health Undersecretary Maria Rosario Vergeres says the guidelines no longer require a returning OFW to undergo PCR test if coming from a country with a low to medium prevalence of COVID-19 cases.
Maari namang sila ay magkaroon lang ng mag-comply ng minimum health standards. They can go back to their provinces.
Countries with a caseload of fewer than 10,000 per million population are the ones considered to have low to medium prevalence. Vergeres clarified that LGUs may still opt to require PCR tests among returning OFWs. For News 5, Greg Gregorio, we are One News.